The next station is Mac.
Dubai Healthcare City. Long-term foreshadowing for us all. Eventually. The Hyatt Regency. 5 stars over Dubai. Check-in?
Yeah, sure.
For
Welcome
what?
to Hyatt, sir.
Thank
Can I
you.
just have your passport, please?
Yes, absolutely.
Is that a camera?
Yeah, it's on me.
Oh.
Don't worry.
Wait, is the mobile?
It's not on you. Is that hallway a little creepy? We are in a medical park. This place is a little bit clinical. Oh well, let's see what the view's like. This way? There we go. Aha! What's over there? It's a miniature Sydney Opera House. It's a nice view. Uh-oh. It's almost sunset. Let's get on with this room tour. Over here we got a lamp. Right there we've got a table. There's a nice chair. If we look up from the chair, we've got a big mirror and another chair and a small mirror, side lamp, a wall lamp, and a water glass. Uh-huh, yeah, looks good. And a king bed and another side table. And greetings from Said. Another lamp. And, ooh, mood lighting. That's empty. Doors. Robe. How's it feel? Kind of soft. There's my iron. There's my iron and table. Iron and board. It's a table. Oh, somebody put their luggage in there. And we got drawers. We got hangers. We got, that's nice. That is part of the 5-star. You better have, yes. If you want the official 5-star rating, you gotta have that as well. You need a flashlight. And then the safe and, ooh, look at all these. This is smart. That's actually very, very smart. In a hotel, so that you don't forget where your things are. If you've left something in the drawers, if you've actually put things away in the drawers. Do you do that? I don't do that. I mean, sometimes. What's in here? Ooh. Peppermint tea, green tea, Nescafe. Ooh, yeah. Earl Grey, English breakfast. Mm-hmm. Yep, got it all. Tiny little kettle. What more do you need? I only ever fill half the kettle. Ooh. More glass-fronted drawers. And the mini bar. Yeah. I'm not drinking that. I'm not drinking anything. And jelly beans, Kit Kats, nuts, and Oreos. TV, already on. We've got HDMI, USB. What do we see? No Type-C. That'll be in the future. And a menu over here. Anybody play the accordion? We have a little light. And have 2 more of that. That could use some bubbles. It's got a body bar. Sounds nice. Ooh! It has, look. Zait Adagan. That's good. Call back. 1 shower head. Ah! There's the correct shower head. And, yeah. Pharmacopoeia Natural Shampoo. Huile d'argan, aloe vera. And conditioner, body wash, everything's good. I won't fall down because I've got a gripper. Of course, granite. Shaving kit, dental kit, sanitary bag, vanity kit. Everything's looking good. Facial soap too. Ooh, somebody could use that. Also, body lotion. And you looking at you. But wait, it's almost sunset. We have to go upstairs. Please, magically, spin me away to floor 34. Jungly. No mirrors. You don't have to look at me. Up we go. Up, and away. What are you doing there? Yeah, just for one. Can I look around, please?
Go ahead.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sunset's not that way. No sunset there. Ooh. Shoot. Hello. One for me. And one for you. Mine's almost gone. I guess I could have yours too. At least